Hey guys, we got another project here. Had a snowblower for about 3 years now, and when we first bought it, I didn't know much about small engines. So my dad brought it to the small engine place, and they put a new carburetor on and stuff. And I don't know, it's never really been that great of a snowblower, but I think now we're gonna try to fix that. As you can see, this is a Toro 3521. We've had been having some issues where I started using it, and I got about one time down the driveway, and then it quit. So it'll run right now, but when you engage it and start going along, then it dies on you. So I was looking here, and I didn't think head bolts were all torqued down correctly, so I did all those. But there was still, right under the manifold, there was smoke or exhaust coming out. So I figured there must be blow-by. So I took all this stuff off, and we're just getting under here now. We'll see if it really is. Yeah, I see some oil where it came out that side. Down in there. Yep. Have a malfunction in the head gasket. Let's see if I can show you this. Here's the head gasket, and like this is how it faces. This is the back of the snowblower. You can see where the oil started coming out right there. And then the smoke exhaust would come up through there, through the shroud. And I don't know if you can see this, but you know, right there is a hole in the head gasket. So that would be the problem. Hopefully that's the only problem with this snowblower, but I'll replace this and get a new one. And I don't know. See, it's kind of, maybe I should probably clean this up while I'm in here. Got lots of carbon all over. But otherwise, it looks pretty good. So, yeah, I'll have to do some research what kind of engine this is, because I know it's probably a Tecumseh, but it doesn't say on here. I don't know why they would do that. Just like that, right there. Here's my other project I've been working on. Here's an old tiller, and that carburetor just won't work. But I looked up on eBay, and that engine's actually really similar to this one. But I think they're both Tecumsehs, and like this, I'll have to research it too. But I don't know why. And all I can tell off of this one, it says 6 horsepower right here. I mean, why isn't there a sticker saying what manufacturer and all the information about the engine? This one doesn't have it either. It doesn't tell what horsepower the engine is, or if it's a Tecumseh or Briggs. But I'm about sure they're both Tecumsehs. So yeah, I don't know. That confuses me. I don't know why they won't make it easier for people and just say all they gotta do is pop a sticker on there, but whatever. Do some research and hopefully get a new head gasket, and then we'll install it and see if that's a problem and if we can fix this. So, see you guys. I don't know. For me, it'll probably be a few days. For you guys, it'll be a couple seconds. So, see you in a little bit. Well, we got the head gasket. I went to Napa. It's cheaper than where I usually go. Kinda was wishing for better quality. If you look here, see there's like rough edges. Stuff's chipping, but I don't know, I guess as long as it works, it doesn't really matter. Get everything lined up here. put this together, which is not my favorite thing to do. And of course, when the recoil was crap, that makes it even harder. I don't know, I'll probably just skip to when all this stuff is together, so see you in a little bit. Alright guys, I got everything back together, and now I tell you, it definitely has more compression. So, turn all this on and see if we can get her to go. She likes to be difficult. Probably do an update video and let you know how it runs, but that's it for today. We'll see you guys later.